hold on. Let's back up a bit, because there is a lot to do before anyone can climb a tree. First I looked over all of our trees, and I found this one that has problems with its crown. Topping can kill a tree, and I didn't want to kill a good tree. That tree is far from our cabin, so the router had to be mounted to the tree. I put the router in a waterproof and vented box, and ran Ethernet cable all the way down to the cabin. I did as much cable prep as I could beforehand, so the arborist could just screw it in quickly on his way back down. The way I did this gives the 150-foot Starlink cable some critter protection, and also takes away tension from the dish end. It was pretty time consuming. It was a good thing I had help. Put your fingers around it. Yep, keep going. Yep, that's all the way. I wanted to make really sure to attach the cable securely to the mount adapter in 2 places, so there would be no tension on the plug end. I set the system up on a small dead tree to test how it all fit together. We regularly get hurricane-force winds here, so this mount had to be bomb-proof. Now all that's left is to hope it isn't too windy for us when we try to install it. Down at the bottom, I was mostly just thinking all the shorter ones for the flanges, and then the long ones for these are drilled all the way through the...
Oh, those are going all the way through.
Yeah, this is drilled through.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You are, you're going to be very, very solid up there.
You know, over the last couple of months, I've just been staring at the trees and like, I don't know. Like this.
Yeah. No, that's a great design. I love it. Yeah. Yeah, and then, you know, one of you guys can just kind of feed it as I'm pulling it up so that I'm not dragging it all that way. Might be nice.
I have hand warmers. I don't know if that would help you.
Yeah, it's just kind of grin and bear it. Gonna have him check that angle.
He's very close as far as alignment. It just, I mean, to be perfect, he could, if he tilted it very slightly to the west.
Rotate it just a couple degrees west.
Okay.
I'd say he's there.
Yeah, that looks pretty parallel. And
yeah, he can tighten it down there.
okay.
Okay, I'll tighten it down. All the lag bolts are in.
It's operating normally. We're getting close to 300 down, close to 50 up.
Jeez.
I mean, that's 17 milliseconds.
No, he's showing me the performance of this thing. It's incredible.
Yeah, give it an open sky and
Yeah.
it's a relief to actually have it on the tree.
I bet.
Did it go pretty smoothly, or?
Yeah. It was borderline as far as like, being able to,
Yeah.
get
it
it
was probably
up.
at
So, but
30,
it was
35 pounds or so.
Yeah, which was manageable. I wasn't like maxed out or anything. Yeah, so it was all good.
And it seemed like there was one good guess to win, but in general.
Yeah, there was one that was like, oh.
I was like, oh, it's starting up now. It's gonna.
Yeah. No, it was all good. Yeah, we're gonna head out.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks
yeah,
so much.
absolutely. Good
They
to see you again.
finished it, yeah.
Hopefully it all is perfect. And
Okay.
alrighty. Yeah, take care. Thanks a lot.
Hey, you want to go look? Okay. Come here. Let's go down the hammock trail. We can go look.
Bye.